Hi, this is Matt Stegman with Aqueous Solutions LLC, makers of the Geochemist Workbench. Today, I'll show you how to make a solubility diagram in Act 2. Let's begin by choosing aluminum as the diagram species in the basis pane. We won't set its activity here, but instead cover a range of values on the y-axis. On the x-axis, we'll set pH. I'll add silica to the system and perform a basis swap to consider the system in equilibrium with the mineral quartz. Finally, we'll set our temperature equal to 60 degrees Celsius and move to the plot pane. Here, the solubility diagram is displayed for the aluminum silicate mineral kaolinite. The plot can be changed at any point by moving back to the basis and considering a narrower range of pH values and activities. Here is the updated plot. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description or visit our website at gwb.com to learn more about the Geochemist's Workbench.